Today, I want to share something very important with you regarding your breath. It involves two specific concepts, Kumbhaka and Rechaka. You may have heard these terms somewhere before, but the truth is, most people don't fully understand what they actually mean. If you listen to this video carefully, it will help you understand your breath and your body in a much deeper way. First, let's understand Kumbhaka. In our ancient yogic texts, Kumbhaka is described as incredibly powerful. It is even said that the greatest strength a human being possesses lies in Kumbhaka. Now, a question arises. Where does this strength come from? Think about the yogis living high in the mountains. They eat very little, yet they remain incredibly fit and resilient. What is their secret? They learn to master the art of holding their breath. That is what we call Kumbhaka. Let's break this down into very simple language. When we inhale air, it is called Paraka. When we exhale air, it is called Rechaka. And when we pause and hold the breath for a moment, neither inhaling nor exhaling, that is called Kumbhaka. The word kumbh literally translates to a pot or a vessel. Just as a pot can hold water within itself, we hold the breath within us for a short time. Kumbhaka is primarily of two types. Number 1, internal retention. This is when we inhale and then hold the breath inside. Number 2, external retention. This is when we exhale completely and then hold the breath out. In yoga, it is said that a person who learns to master Kumbhaka builds a much stronger physical vessel. Now, I have a quick question for you. Have you ever tried holding your breath intentionally for a short while? If yes, type yes in the comments below. If no, just type no. So, how does Kumbhaka actually help our body? When we hold our breath for a short time, both the body and the mind become resilient. Think of it like a cold shower. At first, it feels a bit difficult or shocking, but afterwards, the body feels revitalized. Similarly, holding the breath sensibly and with control strengthens the nervous system and calms the mind. You might have noticed this in daily life. When we need to lift something very heavy, we naturally hold our breath first, and then we exert force. Manual laborers do this all day long. Their diet might be simple, but holding their breath while exerting force gives them immense strength. However, there is one very important point to remember. Kumbhaka is not for everyone. People suffering from heart conditions, high blood pressure, respiratory issues, or women who are pregnant should not practice breath retention. Kumbhaka is not a game. It must be learned slowly and gradually. If learned correctly, it can transform your body, your mind, and your life. If you found value in today's explanation, please like this video. And if you want to keep learning complex topics in simple language, make sure to subscribe to the channel. In the next video, I will explain exactly how beginners can start practicing Kumbhaka safely. If you think this information could help someone else, please share this video with them. See you next time.